In this video, we'll walk through how to use the Bulk Course Copy app to copy content from one course into multiple destination courses at once. Start by searching for the course you want to copy from. You can search by code, name, or org unit number. Use the checkboxes to narrow down by org unit type, then enter your search text. You may filter the search results, then select your source org unit from the results list. You can proceed to the next step once it is selected. Next, choose the courses you want to copy into. Just like before, you can search by code, name, or org unit number and apply filters to refine your results. Select one or more destination org units from the list and proceed to the next step. In this step, you'll review your selections before starting the course copy. You'll see a summary of the destination courses, including any potential warnings such as existing content, previous course copy history, or empty class lists. These warnings don't prevent you from continuing, but they help you make informed decisions. Select the destination org units you wish to proceed with, and confirm that you understand the impact of starting the course copy. Once confirmed, the app will submit your course copy jobs. You'll see a status summary showing whether each submission was successful. At this point, you can leave the page. The course copy jobs will continue running in the background. To avoid duplicate content, do not submit additional course copy requests for the same courses while jobs are in progress. Finally, you can monitor the progress of your course copies. The summary shows how many jobs are currently in progress, and the details table displays the status of each course copy, such as processing or complete. You can stay on this page to watch live updates, or leave. Your course copy jobs will continue running either way. Using the Bulk Course Copy app, you can efficiently copy course content at scale.